Hey, citizens of the world. Today, we're going to be resurrecting the kitchen. And today I'm going to be making lasagna. So we're going to start with the bechamel sauce. I have butter in here, it's already melted. I'm going to need a bit of flour, you need a whisk, and you need milk. And I'm going to be adding spinach to this. No, ignore this, this is... ignore that. Oh yeah, let's put this back on the heat. Come on. Oh, it's hot, oh my goodness. Alright, now you just stir that in. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Here's a hack for you people who always fail to make this sauce. You know what I'm saying? You can always use mayonnaise if you like it. Yeah, you just add a little bit of mayonnaise. Come on, get out. You add a little bit of mayonnaise and it should be smooth. You know what I'm saying? Or you need to wait for it to look all yucky like it does now. And then you add a little bit of milk. You add a little bit of milk. And then you gotta whisk this bad boy in. Yeah. Alright, so now that that's boiling, we need to get the beef out. You know what I'm saying? We need to get the beef out. But I need you to see this, alright? Power! Goodness gracious me. That is looking horrible. Oh! Ay, ay, ay. I need to give this thing a transformation. I need to give this thing a transformation. Alright, medium-sized pan, high heat. Add a little bit of olive oil. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. So as we wait there, I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. And I'm going to add spinach. Popeye the Sailor Man. There's Popeye the Sailor Man. Woo-hoo. Alright, say it with me. Are you ready to hear that sizzling? Ah! Oh my god! Alright, so the damn sizzling came down. And now I just need to make these into small chunks. And as you can see, I added a little bit of black pepper and salt to this. So this is done now. You know what I'm saying? You're done now. And now, let's work on the beef. Turns out this beef needs a power tool. So you know what I'm saying? I got one of these out. Gotta mash this thing out here. I know it's for mashed potatoes, but you can still mash beef. You know what I'm saying? You can mash beef. Alright, time to make some barbecue sauce, aka basic bitch quick sauce. We're gonna need molasses sugar, aka brown sugar. We're gonna need ketchup. We're gonna need some vinegar. We're gonna need some soy sauce. You know what I'm saying? If you know how to say this, please just send me a voice note. You know what I'm saying? I can say it, but I'd rather not. And we need mustard. Alright, most of it is done. Yeah, I mean, I got the beef. It's covered in sauce. You know what I'm saying? I gave it the sauce, and then we got the cheesy goodness, aka bechamel sauce, aka the vegetarian part of the equation. And now we're gonna put this in the dish. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Woo, baby. Woo. Check out my style. You know what I'm saying? I got the sandals with socks. All you haters of sandals with sock wearers, you know what I'm saying? Just know your uncle wears them, and I'm a boss. And when a boss wears them, it's acceptable. Ta-da! I've finished. Looking nice, a little bit of sizzling action going on here, you know what I'm saying? There's even more sizzling action. But yeah, basically done. Now that I'm done, y'all need to understand, man. I'm a man of standards. You have to leave the kitchen cleaner than you found it. Right? Yes. That's how to be a